Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are doing amazing and having an amazing day when you are watching this. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Jessica. I upload beauty, fashion, lifestyle, hair, budgeting, all types of content here on my channel, and I would love for you to subscribe and join the family if you're not already. Also, while you're down there, give this video a like if you love hair videos as much as I do. I know I haven't been posting them as much, and I sincerely apologize. I've been having some camera trouble, but we are back and we are better. I hope you guys are liking the camera quality that I have for you here today. So, without further ado, I have my relaxer update. Obviously, there's some changes going on, so if you guys want to see what I did for my last relaxer, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so the day you are watching this, I believe it is, let me see, it is the 15th of November, and I got my relaxer on the, that's a good question, let me see, I got it honestly a while ago, you guys. Like I said, I was having trouble with my camera, which was super hella annoying. I think it's been a month. Yeah, I got my relaxer and color done on October 13th, so it's already been a month since I've gotten my hair done, which I really apologize for, like I said. But if you guys aren't aware, I do relax my hair. I am more of a every 4 months kind of a relaxer girl. I can wait up to 16 to 18 weeks between my relaxer and be completely content and not really be struggling, because I really know how to take care of my new growth, which is something that I have learned throughout my hair journey that I'm really proud of. But yeah, so I use I forgot what it's called. A firm relaxer, I believe is what it is. It comes in the white and purple tub. My hairstylist has been using that on my hair for years, and it works really well with my hair texture. I have really thick hair and a lot of hair. This is actually extensions, you guys. I have 2 rows of the Brazilian extensions, the ones, I forgot what they're called. The Brazilian hand-tied extensions is what I think it's called, just to give me a little extra fullness. I was just wanting a little something extra for my birthday. My hair is honestly pretty much this length. I can pull out a piece of my natural hair for you. This is my real hair, and as you guys can see, it's pretty much almost, I think maybe I have an inch more. So this is where my natural hair ends, and then this is as much extension as I have, which is another 2 inches, I want to say. So my hairstylist just put in 2 little rows of extensions just to give me some more volume and some just a little bit more length. I did have the hair extent. These are the same extensions that I was wearing when I had my long hair, which I really love, but I just really love long hair for the summertime. That's my vibe, Jessiana, from June to September. That is the vibe, is my long hair, my long black hair. But for the winter, fall time, I wanted to have something a little less maintenance, a little more flirty and thriving. I'm just kidding. My birthday was actually yesterday and I turned 26, so I just wanted something a little bit different than just my regular long hair, but I did want to keep it just a little bit longer. I do dye my hair black. I just dye it straight jet black. I don't use any type of blue black, brown black, anything. Just give me black. I just feel myself with black hair. I just love how I look with black hair personally. It makes everything on my face pop, makes my clothing pop. Everything just looks better, in my opinion, on me when I have black hair. So yeah, that's really it. She just washed my hair like normal. So she took out the long extensions that I had in, which is the same hair that I have in right now. She took those out, gave me a really good wash and deep condition. She gave me the relaxer before, obviously, she washed my hair. And she split my hair into the 3 sections like she usually does. I did wait a little bit long for the extensions to stay in my hair. So it was a little bit difficult to take them out just because like they had started to, like not dread, but like when your hair is in a style for a long period of time, you have a lot of hair that wasn't able to fall out, and you're supposed to lose like 100 strands of hair a day or something like that. I don't know, something crazy like that. But my hair wasn't able to do that, obviously, while it was in the extensions. And I had like 6 or 7 rows of extensions with the long extensions because my hair is so thick that whenever my hairstylist does like the long hair on me, I have to have so many wefts because my hair is so thick that it looks crazy if I don't have that amount of wefts in my hair, if that makes sense. So yeah, I think that's really it. There really wasn't any other change besides I just cut my hair. I didn't cut my actual hair. I just cut the extensions, and this was only like, I don't even think this was half of the extensions that I used when I had my long hair. So I have a lot of hair left over. This is actually the wavy extensions that I have in right now, so I can wear my hair curly, which I haven't done yet actually since I've gotten my relaxer. I haven't worn it curly, but I definitely want to try that out. The current hair care routine that I'm using the Care shampoo and conditioner for color treated hair. That is my favorite line. It just makes my hair feel so good. I have washed my hair twice since my relaxer, and this is the result, and I am literally so obsessed with it. I love that Care line. It's my favorite. There's nothing better than that Care line, honestly. I'm definitely going to do a updated like wash day routine for you guys, which I'm really excited about, using my new camera because I don't have to use like my computer sitting next to me. I can just have my camera set up so that you guys can see what I'm doing. And yeah, that's really it. It's not really a crazy video. I will show you guys what it looks like for the back, but just like I said, remember that I do have extensions in, so this isn't all me, but this is what it looks like from the back. If you guys can tell, it's just a really perfect length for me. It's not too long, it's not too short, because I do not like short hair on myself anymore because my face is just too chunky for that, and I do like to have just a little bit of length on me. I feel like it makes me look more mature, and just really, really nice. So I think that's really all I have to say. I think I covered everything. My stylist definitely uses Nexus products on my hair as well. The Humectress line, which is so good, but so expensive, and I'm just not really in the budget for that right now. My Care is doing me good, and it treats my hair so well that I honestly don't even want to give it up. I did get the Nexus line for color treated hair, and I loved it so much. I just haven't repurchased it because, like I said, it's very expensive. So I think that's really all I have to say. I do have some hair goals that I want to achieve for the upcoming months. I definitely want to grow my hair. I want to start doing my pre-poos more. I really stopped doing my pre-poos when I had my extensions in, just because I didn't see the point. But like now I'm like, I have the time. It's winter time. I'm going to be blow drying my hair and everything like that. So I really want to keep the moisture in my hair, especially with the colder months coming up very quickly. Even though it was like 75 degrees yesterday on my birthday, I had my toes out on my birthday, girl. Like, where they do that at? November? Having your toes out in New York? I'm sorry, what? you know? But yeah, I think that's really all I have to say. Quick little relaxer update, nothing too crazy. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Let me know about your hair journey. How are you guys doing? What products are you using for your relaxed hair? And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you, girls. Bye.